Do you know why is the installation of energy storage is the future needs of enterprises? Let's listen to what Ms. Su said.
Hi everyone, this is Mrs. Xu. Welcome to Dyness Energy Talkshow. It's so glad to see you again. In fact, these are the top 3 reasons why installing energy storage is a necessity for the future of your business. The first reason, save power preparation. Energy storage systems become an indispensable backup for the businesses in times of power stress and unstable supply. Summer is our peak period of electricity consumption, often put the power-limited situation seriously affecting the productivity of our enterprises. Then, this time, the energy storage system can provide a stable power supply, and to get rid of the trouble of pulling the power limit, continuous and stable production. The second reason, peak valley arbitrage. Peak and valley electricity price differentials provide an opportunity for big savings for businesses. Energy storage systems take advantages of low valley tariff to recharge and then release energy during peak tariff hours. With smart strategies, businesses can take full advantages of price differences in the energy market to minimize power expenses and free up capital to be used in more valuable directions. Some industrial and commercial developed regions like Jiangsu, Guangdong, Beijing, Zhejiang, and others, the peak and valley price difference of more than 0.74 RMB every kilowatt hour. The energy storage system in the low price of electricity when charging energy storage in the high price of electricity with the discharge energy supply. This way you can save a large amount of electricity for the enterprise. The third reason, demand-side response. Specifically, that means the subsidy policy. Enterprise configured with energy storage system can take the initiative to reduce the electricity load on the grid, according to the demands of the power company, reducing the pressure on the power system. Enterprises that take the initiative to reduce the government's corresponding subsidies. For example, Wenzhou, Zhejiang province. The subsidies per kilowatt hour up to 0.8 yuan. Together with Dyness, discover your nature.